guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amy Fuchos, and if you're here for the first time, I am documenting my journey here on YouTube, going from intermediate trader to a professional trader. It's been a wonderful one, and I want to just update you guys on how I've been going, how the challenge has actually been. It hasn't been easy, but the struggle, man, it's tough, you trying to go from this intermediate level to professional level, this is a very, very tough something, and it takes a lot of seriousness and time. So, quick man, this is actually 2:47 a.m. or I think 2:47 a.m. and I want to just tell you what I've been going through. Man, like, this shit is not easy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Anyone I tell you that this thing is easy, that person is a liar. Bro, this journey, man, it takes a lot of, a mental work, psychological work for you to overcome the thorns and the temptation. I'm just learning that those guys are up there, man. It takes a lot of discipline, a lot of hard work, a lot of time. So this journey is gonna be a very interesting one, and I hope you stay with me to this journey. Though I've not done anything this morning, it's still 2:47. I've not done anything this morning. I'm just waking up, trying to share my journey and everything. So guys, I'll just show you the traits I took this week, the courses, the way psychology, and so on and so forth. Still guys, something crazy happened this week. Something crazy, It's not just although it's hard to break it, but a minimal way, not those that are beginner stuff. I lost my 10k account, bro. Like, 10k account is gone. Let me show you. 10k account is gone, man. All these are not just it's not just like a lost story, it's like a stepping stone, to something great. A stepping stone to something great. So I don't interpret it as because I just interpret it as stepping stone towards my progress. So let's go to the chart. Let me show you the traits I took that led to this. It's not much, it's still a week. So let's go. So guys, I took this trade on GBP USD and Euro USD, and man, it was a nice setup, but you know that this game is a thing of probabilities. So we don't have to judge by anything you see, but you have to just flow in the terms of numbers. It's a numbers game, it's a probabilities game. So, but at these points, it wasn't in my favor. So here was a trade. I will quickly clear the chart and I'll show you what I'm actually talking about. Okay, so my daily bias was bearish. So at this point, I actually saw here that you might be short-term bearish because price have mitigated this internal range liquidity at this point. At this point, this internal range liquidity has been mitigated. So I actually see that maybe price has come here to trade to this level, but in the sense of fulfilling this objective, it has to see gaps from key levels of interest. I follow the 1-day candle, whatever I'm doing, that's my edge. I do follow the 1-day candle, whatever the 1-day candle see, that's what I actually do. So at this point, price gave me a sweep of the high at this point. And when this sweep of the high actually happened, gives a clear indication for me that maybe yes, price want to trade this level is going to be on internal liquidity at this point. At this point, we'll have internal liquidity here. So after I did this really analysis, this whole thing, I switched back to my 4-hour time frame to check what I'm doing, if it's actually aligned with this. So this is not just a guessing work. I get what I'm talking about. It's not. This is actually an edge. It's part of my strategy. My strategy is not a guessing work. I'm not just speaking, but it's fact. It has been back tested. So I now actually switched to the 4-hour time frame. So real quick, the 4-hour didn't give me what I want, but it was an alignment with what I was actually looking for. It didn't give me what I want, but it was an alignment. Once daily price is aligned, the 4-hour has to be also aligned before you take the trade. So I saw a sweep of possibility in this forward time frame. After I saw that sweep of possibility, I said, wow, okay, if this is ready to sell at this point. At that moment, all this level, all this price was not sold to this point at that level. So I switched to the 1 hour time frame. And at 1 hour time frame, that was my entry time frame. So at this point, I saw price was reacting from another blow at this point. Price was reacting from another blow at this point. So this level was my actual target, and this level was my target at this point. So what I did was, as price gave me that super opportunity, I located my nearest point. I stopped this thing. Says beat above this thing. And my target was at this thing. So what happened? Price actually followed me out. But it was a very interesting one ago. Price actually followed me out. No. As price stopped me as Aqua quickly called me. Because I'm actually using the Aqua funding to trade. They quickly called me that, bro, your max brought down. I have $6 left. Man, I have to do those trade. So this was the trade that led to the stop loss. Man, it's crazily raining. It's raining outside. Man, it's raining. And these are actually 307. Still raining. Now, guys, after this whole scenario, after the loss, some of you would love to ask what is my response to this situation. For me, I think it's kind of the process, it does not define me. Just a trade of a one loss or two loss. It doesn't define me as a trader. I know that it's part of the process. It's part of the choice, it's part of the growth. Everyone who have gotten to this stage of, who is a professional trader has half countless loss, at this point, trying to refine things, trying to make things better. So my response to the loss, for me, man, I just take it as a loss. Just take it as a loss. So I've been currently working on something right now. I've been finding something with my rules, and I actually found out that has been my problem for months right now, and I started working on it, which is hopeful and delusion. And that hopeful and delusion is a rule of mine, but I set it in a way that playing for this way, I define that rule as, hey, these two things are present. You have to close this to right now. It's kind of a protection asset for me. Something that protects me from losing accounts, something that protects me from taking a loss, and something that protects me from blowing my account. So that's hopeful and delusional. It's a rule of mine that has been helping me for the past months. And it's really wonderful one. It's the rule has taken my trading level from a mediocre level to a very solid state. So I'm working on that book for attention. I'm improving myself on that. And the rule includes, once these two conflicts are present, I'm out of this trade. I'm no longer interested. So I've been working on that for the past months, and I've been seeing progress on that. So it's just part of the journey from going to a professional trainer. It's just part of the journey. So there's nothing much, man. Because this is just literally 3 a.m. I'm basically doing this shit. I'm still going to work. Though I still work in 9 to 5, I'm still going to work. In the next 3 hours, I'll be at work. Like basically, then I still have to work out. I still have to do it. I still have to prepare. man, it's a crazy process. It's a crazy process. So let's take a real quick outside. Man, rain is falling and I don't have to sit here in agony. I have to just do something. Oh my god. So I want you guys to stay with me, see my routine and see how I do my things and prepare for work. But right now, I'm just gonna have fun, analyze the chat, just analyze the chat. So yeah. And whoa, I'm just seeing a crazy sale on GBP after I took that loss, and hopefully we see price get to this level and sell. Though I'm not permitted to trade now, like I'm serious, I'm not permitted to trade now. So hopefully, man, if this sells, I can still recover my 5k account. If it don't, man, I don't know. So I'm not making any decision until 6 o'clock. But right now, I will move to my other tasks and other chores of the day. I'll prepare for work and come with me. Alright guys, I've come to an end of this video and a summary of this video. So this is just a little light on how my week has been going and the performance and what I've been improving and what I've been learning. So if you're here for the first time, my name is Emi Fuchos and I'm documenting my journey here on YouTube, going from an intermediate trader to a professional trader. So if you want to be part of this journey, make sure you like this video, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you turn on your notification bell. You'll know when I actually drop my content. So I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll see you at the next one. All right, bye.